Hello, welcome to my MERN Stack internship project presentation supervised by WSA WebStack Academy. I am Mubarak RM. I am currently pursuing my BE in Computer Science and Engineering 7th semester at University BDT College of Engineering, Davangere. Overview of this project. This is an online internship in full stack web development. Technology used is MERN Stack, where front-end is developed or designed using React.js, back-end integration is done using Node.js and Express.js. MongoDB is used for the database purpose. Goals of this internship. The goal of this internship is to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Express.js, MongoDB, Node.js, and use them to develop full-stack web applications. Project requirements: computer or laptop, Visual Studio Code, React.js, Express.js for APIs, MongoDB, Node.js, Mailtrap, Stripe. What is full stack development? Full stack development is a process of designing, creating, testing a complete web application from start to finish. It involves working with various technologies and tools, including front-end development, back-end development, and database development. Full stack developers are often responsible for entire web application development process from start to finish. That means scratch to complete. That means they must have a strong understanding of technologies and tools involved in web development. What are the key skills of a full stack developer? Firstly, they must know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, where HTML, which is hypertext markup language, which is the most basic of three languages and is used in the structured content of web application pages. CSS is used to style content in the web page and used to create sophisticated layouts. JavaScript is used to add interactivity to a web page and can be used to create dynamic contents. Next, secondly, front-end framework and libraries. React.js is a popular choice for developers because it is easy to learn and use. Where we can also use Angular, which is also a good choice for developers for its rich features. But in this internship, we are learning React and its functionality to create projects and other applications. Next, the backend. Here, MongoDB is used for storage of data without schema, and it is a NoSQL in nature. MongoDB stores data in flexible JSON-like documents, meaning fields can vary from document to document and data structure can be changed over time. In this internship, we use MongoDB along with Node.js and Express.js. MERN Stack. What is MERN Stack? MERN stands for MongoDB, Express, React, Node, after the four key technologies that make up the stack. MongoDB. MongoDB is for documentation of database. Express.js is for Node.js web framework. React.js is a client-side JavaScript framework. Um, and then Node.js is the premier JavaScript web server. Express and Node make up the middle application tier, where and Express.js is a server-side web framework, and Node.js is a popular and powerful JavaScript server. This is the architecture and design of MERN, where MERN is a full stack development application or design where which is made up of three-tier architecture. First, the front tier or client tier is made using HTML, CSS, 3 JavaScript, and React.js and any browsers. This is the client side uh, framework or the client side presentations. The middle tier or the Business logic, which is an application server tier, which is made up of made using Node.js and Express.js. Database, the database tier is made up of using MySQL. MERN Stack. First, MongoDB is a source available cross-platform document-oriented database program. Classified as no SQL database program, MongoDB uses JSON-like documents with optional schemas. Express. With Expression, we can create an API very easily for the server. Express.js includes significant features that let us dynamically create backend API. It does not require any third-party dependency and does not come with any framework and plugins. React.js is an open source JavaScript library used to create user interface in declarative and efficient way. It is a component-based front-end library responsible only for view layer of a model view. Controller architecture. React is used to create modular user interface and promotes the development of reusable components that displays dynamic data. Node allows the developers to write JavaScript codes that run directly in computer process instead of the browser. Node can therefore use to write server-side applications with access to operating system, file system, and everything which is used to develop or build the full functional application. Internship project details. In this internship, I have created a food delivery application which mimics the functionality of real-world food delivery apps like Zomato, Swiggy, etc. I want to thank Ms. Richa Jha, who led this internship for a period of 6 weeks for the development of the food delivery application using MERN Stack. In this period of internship, I learned about front end, back end of web application and their functionalities. Implementations. Functionalities of this project. Display of restaurants in homepage, search bar to search restaurants. Each restaurant has the distinct menu, login and create account, forget password option is available. Cart to display the items we ordered. Payment option is for the processing and payment of the orders. Order reviews where we can review whether the order is delivered or not. View your profile and update it. We can also view our profile and update it. These are all the functionalities which we implement in our project, where we can display our restaurants in the home page. We can use the search bar to search the restaurants, and where each restaurant is displayed in the distinct menu. And we have the a create account or a login account where we can create if you are a new user, we can create a new account and log in, or we if you are a already registered user, then we can log in. If anyhow you forget your password, we have an option to uh, and we have the option which uh, which we can reset our password, and the cart will show the cart items we have placed. And payment option is obviously for the payment and all. We can use the card to make our payments, order reviews, and profile. Lastly, the technologies we used in implementation: MongoDB, Node.js, Express.js, React.js, and Mailtrap website to send and receive mail for which is used for forget password, and Stripe to make the process payments. Conclusion. I had a very good time during this internship. I learned about full stack web development using MERN Stack through a food delivery application project. It was a great experience, and I'm very happy that I got this opportunity to attend this internship. Thank you. Let me show the project demonstration. This is my food delivery application. Let's log out. food delivery application. Here you can see the restaurant's details. Here we have used 8 restaurants details. These are the restaurants. This is my food delivery foodie application. I have named it foodie. This is search bar, cart and login. Here we can uh, set the want if you want pure veg, then you can see this. If you want, or if you want everything, then you can see that here restaurant is showing. If you want to sort them by reviews, just click that and it will get sorted by the reviews, the number of reviews. And if you want to sort by ratings, then you can sort that also. And you if you want to see, this is meals and these are beverages and etc. Pizza, beverages, and these are desserts and everything. Then let's Here you can see that if the items are in stock, then it is showing add to cart. If you click the add to cart, the item is added to a cart. If you want to increase the number of espresso shots, then we can increment here or decrement. Let increment and add other items. If you want the other things also snacks, let's add this to. And here you can see that out of stock option is showing because it is not in the stock. And if you want to order that, you can see in cart the number of items is 3, where you can also here also you can increment or decrement the uh, items, or also you can delete the item if you don't want it. Here is the order summary, total amount and all. If you want to check out, then we must put our details and everything, but before that we must log in. For login you can use your new password and all, or you can just this is a register. Let me just register here. Password, password confirmation, phone number, and here we can choose our avatar. So it is set. Then I can just register here. It will take time because it is computer is slow. Here we can see our orders and all. Let's order some things. Yes. So it will show item is added to cart and all. Now to cart. So let's add it. Let's check out. Let me give just postal address something. Yeah. Continue. Here we can see the confirm order details where delivery information is shown, my name, phone number and address, my cart items here, details and order summary is here. And then we can click proceed to detail, uh, card details. It's a dummy card detail. If you press pay, it will show a page like this where it confirms the order and payment details where your order has been placed and successfully. If you press go to orders, my orders will show that it will show the order details, the number of items, amount and status, order date, etc. And by clicking on the I icon, you can see the order ID, delivery information, my name, phone number, address, and amount. Payment is paid, order status is showing processing, order items, and the items I have ordered. Where I can change the status by going to MongoDB and changing my orders. Let me just drop it this again. Not showing. Let me order again. AI. This shows the payment is done and your order has been placed successfully. Go to your orders. You can see here where the payment is shown here in the Stripe account. There you can see the process is processing. Amount is processing. Let me show you the amount is paid. And if you want to change it, then you can just change it here by changing it processing to delivered. Press update. You refresh it, it will show deliver. And once if you can see also your um, profile where you can edit your profile, like let me just add Mubarak. And also I also can change my avatar like that and update it. Just take a minute and here it is updated. And after that I can just log out, but and I can log out. And if I ever forgot my password, I can just forgot and press forgot here and put my Gmail account, send email. It will send an email to my mail track account. See, then I can just reset my password, whatever I want. Set password. Once you set your password, You have to log in again. Then you can log in. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much for the internship and the opportunity you have provided. And I also want to thank the team of WSI for smooth operation and processing of this internship. Thank you, Ananda. Thank you.